I remember that you also said your boss also, when you were doing articleship, was pursuing CPA. What was the story all about?
When I was doing my articleship, my principal under whom I was an article, she was planning to go to the US. I asked her, are you going on vacation to the US? She said, no, I'm going there to take my CPA exams.
You being a leader in this profession for so many years, how are you seeing the tax work getting changed in next 5 years from here on?
Obviously, there will be certain sections, certain part of the tax preparation work that will be done by AI. Even if AI is doing or will do a lot of preparation work, the review and the consultancy will still needs to be done.
Are you telling like Vishal that the world will belong to reviewers more than preparations?
Yes, partially yes.
But do you think is it possible, because you are telling someone to just go into the manager level without he being knowing the entire process itself?
Titles and the roles not necessarily has to be like that. To be a reviewer, not necessarily you have to be a manager.
Most of the parents have not heard about CPA, CMA, EAs, CSCIA. So what would be one of the things, Vishal, which you would want to talk?
These are qualifications that broadens the opportunity that someone may have.